Hey, what's up, fam? It's your boy Darren Brown with Darmac Builders coming to you on a beautiful Friday. And here on the job site, and as you can see, we're getting ready for concrete slab pour. You see the wire mesh down here with the slab runners. They lift the wire up so the concrete can go in between, underneath and on top of the wire. And we're planning on having a pour come next week. If we don't have any rain, that's going to be great for everyone. As you can see, we got the crack bars in. That's everywhere we have a corner, a 90-degree corner. So we got it around there. We have the crack bars here. And so we're getting to that point where you're really gonna start seeing this house. And like I said before, if you guys are like what I'm bringing to you, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, which is Darmac Builders, and you're gonna get this kind of view from a construction standpoint. And we're gonna teach you guys how, to build. You want passive income, you want to own a business, financial planning, all that is going to be part of this channel. So make sure you tune in, tell a friend what we do, and hopefully we can grow together. As you can see here, this is what the garage is. We have a step down, which is like a 6-inch step down, and that's why you see that piece of wood there. Oh, I want to show you guys too, we have like a recess shower. And what's up, Mac? Yeah, that's my daughter. She's been a trooper, man. She's been on this project from day one. So here's the shower here, where it's going to be a step down shower. Okay, it doesn't look big, but it is. And then we have another one. There's the crack bars again. And we have another one over here. A shower here. So this is also going to be a step down shower. And it's like you have a 4-inch step down. And all this wires is necessary. Sometimes people don't use wire. They get fiber mesh in the concrete, which you can. Some use both. They use wire and fiber mesh. It all depends on what the plans call for. But for the most part, everything is going to be wire. And I think on this one we're using 4,000 PSI concrete. And it's going to be a nice pour. And then we'll be able to work from the inside now. I'll be able to bring scaffolding here, get ready to put my slab beams in. Right above me here will be a deck, a poured deck that's going to extend out to the furthest patio over there. So this was a good week. And hopefully next week will be even better. So again, hey, make sure you guys subscribe. I'm gonna give you all the bells and whistles, some good stuff, some things that didn't quite go as well, some things that we overlooked, but we corrected. Not all things going to construction goes according to plan, but you can fix it, you can correct it, and that's what we try to do here. So I'm gonna get out of here, and I hope you guys learned something. Make sure you subscribe to Darmac Builders. Hey, we the contractors of the future, and this is what we do. Peace.